WOLF stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday. Is Wolfspeed stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. And it's the only person in this space that has actually done 43,000 videos and documented them all over 5 years time period. I've seen what's printing and what's not, and documented for you guys. You don't have to spend tens of thousands of dollars in 5 years. You know what I mean? So it's still one heck of a bearish market with a 4% increase today. So crazy part about this is that I've been bearish since 10 bucks and it's been delivering very nicely. Now you might think that I'm lying, but that's why I literally have the video proof of me calling it when it was 10 bucks. You can clearly see it here. Video made 7 months back, last year, December. And since then, all I can tell you is been melting, right? Like, I have 41 results in the Discord here. And since my last prediction when it was at the top of 3 bucks, now it's 150, half, and I'm still expecting it to melt. So that's kind of my directional bias. It doesn't mean that I'm randomly going to sell Joe. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. It's free.